Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a CommSec account. To begin, you will need a few key items. First, gather your identification documents, such as a driver's license or passport. Next, ensure you have your tax file number, or TFN, readily available. Finally, have your bank account details accessible, as you will need to link it to your new CommSec account for easy funding and withdrawals. This preparation makes the process much smoother. Once prepared, navigate to the CommSec website and select the Open an Account option. You will then choose the specific type of trading account that best aligns with your investment objectives, whether it is for shares or other products. Proceed to complete the online application form, accurately entering all your personal and financial details. Double-check everything before submitting to avoid any delays in processing your application. After submitting your application, the next crucial step is identity verification. CommSec offers various methods, including online verification, to confirm your details. Following successful verification, you will link your nominated bank account to your new CommSec trading account. This connection allows you to easily transfer funds into your account, preparing you to start buying and selling investments. Ensure all details are correct for smooth transactions. With your account set up and funded, you are now ready to explore the CommSec platform. Take some time to familiarize yourself with its various features, research tools, and market data. When you feel confident, you can place your first trade by searching for a company and entering your desired order. Remember to check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals. Happy investing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.